In the bright green meadow, where the sunflowers sway, lived a small grasshopper named Hoppy, in a cozy little hay. With 2 long legs and big, round eyes, so bright and so cheerful, Hoppy loved to play and sing, on each and every day. One sunny morning, Hoppy found a game so fun. Hopscotch squares drawn with chalk, under the warm golden sun. He hopped around, counted his hops, with each square he'd hop on. Playing the game with his friends, they all had such a ball. But Hoppy's little heart skipped a beat, when he saw a task so tough. A square marked with 6 hops, making him feel a bit rough. "I can't do it," he mumbled, his voice barely a whisper. "But I must try," he decided, and he took a deep breath. He took a big hop, and another, and then he took a longer one. He counted with focus each hop he'd made, and finally he was done. He landed on the last square, with a victorious leap and a cheer. His friends cheered for him, their clapping filling the air with cheer. Hoppy learned that day that he could do anything, with a little courage and a good helping of self-strength. He danced and hopped and sang a song, spreading positivity all around. In the bright green meadow, where the sunflowers sway, Hoppy, the grasshopper, was teaching us all that we can fly high on our own. As the sun set and the stars began to twinkle, Hoppy said good night and closed his little eyes, dreaming of more adventures and a life filled with joy. In the land of the sunflowers, where the grasshoppers play,